Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Amazon gift card not redeeming. Quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Amazon app or go to Amazon.com and sign in to the exact account you want to redeem the gift card on. Check that you are using the correct Amazon site for your country, like Amazon.com, Amazon, Company UK, or Amazon. Go to your account and open gift cards to access the redemption page. Choose Redeem a Gift Card and carefully type the claim code exactly as it appears. Re-enter the code slowly and confirm there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Look closely for confusing characters like O and 0, I and 1, and B and 8. If your gift card has a scratch-off area, fully scratch it and make sure every character is readable. If you copied the code from an email, paste it into a plain text note first to remove hidden formatting. If Amazon says the code is invalid, confirm you are redeeming a gift card claim code and not an order number or promotion code. If Amazon says the code was already redeemed, check your balance and also review gift card activity for recent additions. If you share an account with family, ask if someone else redeemed it on the same account. If the card is a physical card, confirm it was activated at purchase and keep the receipt if you have it. If you bought it online, open the purchase confirmation and verify the seller is Amazon or a trusted retailer. Avoid third-party marketplaces if the card looks suspicious or the price was unusually low. Switch to a different device, like trying redemption on a computer if you started on a phone. Update the Amazon app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Force close the app and reopen it, or restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. If you are on a browser, clear cache and cookies. Then try again in a private or incognito window. Turn off any VPN or proxy because region mismatches can block gift card redemption. Check your internet connection and try again on a stable Wi-Fi network. Make sure your account is not temporarily locked by completing any sign-in verification Amazon requests. Go to Account Settings and confirm your default address and country settings match the Amazon site you are using. If you see an error about eligibility, remember some gift cards are restricted to specific regions and cannot be transferred. Try redeeming the code directly from the gift card redemption page instead of the checkout screen. If you get a "something went wrong" message, wait 10 minutes and retry because Amazon sometimes has short service interruptions. Take a clear photo or screenshot of the code and the exact error message for reference. Contact Amazon customer service through help and choose gift cards. Then provide the claim code and error text. If the gift card was purchased from a retailer, contact the retailer's support with your receipt if Amazon confirms it was never activated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.